What should you be doing to get ready for this cut season and how to get your clients under contract? What's up, fam? This is Vic from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And as always, hope you guys are cutting on. Today, I want to share with you my system on how to get clients under contract and how I get them to sign my document to where it's smooth and easy so I can put them on the schedule. But first, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I am a business owner trying to take his business from almost 400,000 last year to $500,000 this year. And I'm going to share my ups and downs and how I keep my business cutting on. I also provide coaching calls for those who are interested. Please look at the details in the prescription. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what you should be doing right now to get your schedule full, ready to go by spring. All right, fam. So let's get started. Everyone knows that I use Yardbook, and one of the things that I do in order to make sure things are smooth and easy, and I can go ahead and get my clients on my schedule, I go ahead and I create documents prior to. So basically, you go to, if you have Yardbook, you want to go where they got the little gear icon, click on that. One of the things you want to do is go ahead and create your contract. And you want to create it in what it says, update email templates. Now, in this area, you will see a default for your estimates. So your estimates are here, right? And you want to go ahead and put your verbiage, whatever you're going to say, inside of this box. Okay. Now, fam, once that's done, once you got that verbiage or what you want to say, as far as your initial, this is what they'll read when they open up your document when it comes to your email. But then you have another one where your invoices are. So you want to go back and you want to hit update your invoice. This is your estimate right here for your invoice. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right. For my test client, as you can see, I've already have a price. Now, if you know about me, I've already set my prices up and you know how to do that. You want to go ahead and catalog your prices. This is some of my catalog prices right here. Okay, fam? So this is important to go ahead and catalog your prices. That way, when you are making your estimates, all you got to do is plug and play. All right, so back to my my contract. Now notice in my contract, I walk them through exactly what they need to do in order to approve, or the next steps on how to get started. First thing first, approve this estimate. We will email you a secure link for your credit card information. Once completed, you will be placed on the schedule ASAP. Also, I said, please note, service begin the first and second week in March. This is something that they need to know, especially when you're sending it out prior to your cut season. You need to go ahead and send this out prior to you're trying to get them to sign it. That's the whole point. This is called the early bird special. That's what I call it. And basically, I'm sharing right here what it costs for the contract and what it costs without a contract agreement. Now, some people don't like to be under contract. They're kind of nervous whether or not you'll get a client to say yes or no. Give them the option. With this option, they save money. Without the contract, you're going to charge them a $5 upcharge fee. Some of the things that you need to know is I always charge an initial charge on my my first initial service. I charge a $15 upcharge. I let them know, hey, by approving this, you are approving it for a bi-weekly service. There is no skipping. Now, I do have a contract that actually says no skipping. Let me see if I can pull that one up for you guys. Because at the end of the day, fam, you don't want to give them any options to skip. Now I'm gonna click on my estimate button. Now check this out. So I click on the estimate button, right? This is where I say it's already filled in. I showed you where I filled it in. And as you can see right here, it says no skipping allowed. Now this one is a contract. I don't have a choice. I don't put choices in. I didn't put choices in this one. So this is saying no skipping. Now you can set your contracts up how you want it to, but I'm just saying that this is a way that where you can solicit and still feel comfortable that a person has a choice or not a choice. Now, as for me, I go in here and I select what, based upon the square feet, the pricing. I already catalog this, so it's a plug and play system, fam. So once that's done, you want to go over here to, let's say if I was going to send it, I hit the action button, boom, hit that action button to send, bang, to send. I can email it or I can text it. Now I'm gonna tell you something I just found out. I just found out that Yardbook limits how many texts you can send in a day. You only can send 100. I was frustrated when I found out about this because I have over 200 clients and I was trying to e-blast them and it was like, oh, no, it's limited to 100 per day. That sucks. All right. But you play by the rules, send 100 or 75 one day, leave yourself some space because if not, what'll happen is you won't be able to text nobody who's calling or texting you for various reasons to communicate. So leave you some space on there to respond. Give yourself some time. Now, here you go. It says hello. Now, notice where it reads, it says, dear client, if you haven't already approved your quote and wanted to continue service this year, it's important to click approve on your quote to have what we just sent you. And here's the thing, here's the catch. I'm saying, FYI, we have limited space available and wanting our returning clients to have first placement before adding new customers. I tell them how to do it. And the reason why I say that, fam, is because at the end of the day, I am going to increase my prices when I get close to maybe, and you can make it how you want. If it's like 75% full and you only got 25% left, increase your prices. Go for the premium people at the end of the day that you want to increase your prices on. If you want to do 50%, increase it to 50%. But I do know this, once I hit June, I go up on prices. And if I reach my mark of 75% before March 1st, I'm going up again. I've already let my clients know a price increase will come. Go ahead and get in with the early bird special, fam. So this is some of the ways that I'm sending my information out. And what you'll find out is if you send it out, guess what? Look at here. Approve, 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 approve. They're going to respond to you. They're going to respond to you. So go ahead and get those estimates to them. You already know what their prices were last year. Those are returning clients. Increase it by $1 or $2. Send it on over to them so they can get approved. Hopefully this helps you out, fam. As always, cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.